I finally got a job. After traveling across the country for 1 year and hearing so many inspiring stories from viewers like you who have said you've wanted to travel more after seeing some of my videos, I've decided to focus on a brand new career and help so many people's dreams come true. I've decided to become a travel agent. Now don't worry, this channel is not going to turn into some great big commercial for my travel agency. This channel will always be about my nomadic life and my travels and my journeys. But there's a lot of people who are interested in this kind of lifestyle, and there's a lot of people who like to camp every once in a while, and then when they go on vacation, they like to go to an actual resort or an actual hotel, or they want actual activities to do. There's nothing wrong with going on vacation every once in a while. It dawned on me that this might be a really good profession for me after a friend reached out and said that she was thinking about going to the Redwood National Forest in Northern California, and she asked for some advice before she went because she knew I'd been there recently. And as I started to give my friends some information on tips and advice on better ways to enjoy the park when she got there, it hit me that, wow, I actually really enjoy talking about travel. Not just about my travels, but also about the ways that other people like to travel as well. I chose this profession for several reasons. One, it actually allows me to work nomadically. I can be anywhere in the world and be able to book online people who want to take a vacation somewhere. And two, it's because I actually enjoy talking about travel and helping someone find the right vacation for themselves. So this video is here to say that I am a travel agent, and if you do need to book any kind of travel for any kind of reason, I am here. But if you do need any of my services, then here's how I can help. You work hard all year, balancing a career, family, home life, personal interests, making time to see family and friends. So why would you want to work at making a vacation happen by booking one yourself online? Let me do the work for you. Let me spend the hours it can take sitting behind a computer screen, going through countless flights, tons of hotels, and endless activities to pick from. I'll do the research and book you the best flight, the best place to stay, the best things to do, and the best activities to pick from for you, your family, and friends. Now hang on a second. It costs money to use a travel agent, right? Actually, no. That's one of the biggest misconceptions about using a travel agent. It's completely free to use my services. I get my compensation from the direct suppliers I use, like hotels, resorts, and cruises that I have a personal relationship with as a travel agent. Want to cruise the world's oceans, seeing gorgeous island destinations? Want to zip line through a volcano in the rainforest? Want to stay at an all-inclusive resort and sip cocktails on the beach while endless food options await you? Want to see the cultural side of ancient civilizations? Are you getting married and need a honeymoon destination or entire wedding party trip planned? No matter what you want or how you like to travel, I can arrange it. From solo trips, to groups, to family themed parks, to couples getaways, honeymoons, weddings, or work trips, I can do it all. It's time to escape normal life. Contact me at erik@escapingnormallifetravel.com or message me on Instagram or Facebook to escape normal life. You can also check out my booking website and contact me for fantastic deals around the world.